See, later the incident, the very fateful and most unfortunate incident of stampede that happened at Chinnaswamy Stadium. You all know that the government, in fact, brought in inquiries. There was a magisterial inquiry that was going on. The government also appointed His Lordship Justice Michael Kunna as single commission, and that inquiry has been in progress. And the Honorable Karnataka High Court also has taken sumo cognizance of the matter and has issued certain directions. In the teeth of all these things, there was a FIR registered yesterday in crime number 123 of 2025 before Kaban Park Police Station, wherein the police inspector of Kaban Park Police Station alleged that this stampede, everything happened because of the negligence of the organizers, RCB, DNA and the KSCA. Therefore, in spite of severe and dense, intense efforts of police, there were deaths. Therefore, the responsibility has to be mulcted against them. This is what is the complaint. So, we and the Honorable Chief Minister and the government also, in fact, came out with certain media statements to the effect that the government was insisting for immediate arrests. So, we brought this before the Honorable High Court to say that there can't be any criminal liability applied against KSCA because KSCA is never the in charge of the gate. Gate is always the in charge of the RCB. KSCA controls cricket in Karnataka and it controls the venue. It rents out the venue. That is Chinnaswamy Stadium. Except that whenever there is a request from the organizers or a team for certain arrangements like security, infrastructure, etc., it is at their request, on their behalf, the KSCA as an apex body would write to the police officers. It's never the KSCA that would take a direct role in the organization of these kind of matches or celebrations. In fact, our argument was that, in spite of the fact that the KSCA has already responded and has done everything possible to tender some justice to the unfortunate lives that were lost, and KSCA has been cooperating with the fullest in the investigation. In spite of all these things, if there is an arrest and there is some coercive procedures, it would certainly cause a serious ignominy to the most respected, dignified members of the KSCA and office bearers. Therefore, we sought for indulgence of the Honorable Court. The Honorable Court, after hearing us and the state, Shashikiran Shetty, Advocate General, and the state prosecutor, Mr. Belliyappa, was pleased to say that let the investigation go on and we cooperate with the investigation in all the dimensions, but there should not be any coercive steps causing arrest, etc., in respect of any of those three FIRs arising out of this incident, unfortunate incident of stampede.